Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad T10, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And I'm going to open up settings as an example. So in your case, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. Once it's open, all you need to do is press power key and volume down. Hold it for a second and it will bring up this little image right here. So swipe up to share, swipe down for a scrollable one, and also swipe to the side to just simply get rid of it from the screen. And talking about scrollable, we do need to be in this kind of mode to actually capture a scrollable one. So just do this and flip it over. Come on. There we go. So it flipped. Now it might not work on here. This is a possibility. Let me see if I can open up something that actually has even more scrollable content to it. Oh, there we go, notifications. So from here, let me try. So swipe down for scrollable, allow, and yep, it is working as you can see. So it will basically do this in like several parts till it gets to the end, and then it's just gonna stop. And there is the scrollable screenshot. Flip it back over. There we go. Let's also make it normal. Come on. There we go. So as you can see, there is the scrollable screenshot. It is way longer than it normally would be on the screen. And on the tablet, you can only capture a scrollable screenshot in the portrait mode. In landscape, it will not allow you to. So if you try it, it will just bring you up to basically put the device into portrait mode, and then you can try it. And also you do actually have to have the scrollable content. Now, I did open up the app right here, just for that purpose, because if you open up anything else like this, it scrolls on this side only. This is the part that it considers scrollable, and not this one, even though it is also scrollable. So keep that in mind. Now, the best candidate for scrollable screenshots probably will be like a web browser where you have scrollable content, or Instagram where you can infinitely scroll. But anyway, that is basically how you would capture these screenshots on here. And there's also sometimes another way of capturing it through the notification panel, which you do have a toggle right over here. You press on it, does the same thing as holding the keys. And sometimes there's also a 3-finger screenshot, which also happens to be the case in here. So basically 3 fingers, swipe down, and it captures the screenshot. Now, once you capture those screenshots, they can all be found in your gallery application. So there we go. Now, as you can see, they're divided into photos right here. So today, it shows them in recent, but you can also go to albums and find them quickly under screenshots. And in here, we have the 2 different screenshots of the home screen, and then the scrollable screenshot from the settings. But that is how you'd capture them. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.